Hello guys, good evening. Here is a beautiful system of equations on my screen. You need to find out the values of x comma y comma z in real numbers. Okay, I hope you have a very clear question here. Let us take the first equation. What I am taking the first equation. From that first equation, I am writing like this: x minus 1 plus y minus 1 plus z minus 1 equals to 0. First equation can be written like this. Now let us take x minus 1 equals to a, y minus 1 equals to b, z minus 1 equals to c. From this you will get the value of x as a plus 1, y as b plus 1, z c plus 1. So let it be like this. Now this equation it will become a plus b plus c equals to 0. Okay, if a plus b plus c equals to 0, let us have some calculations here. That is sigma a equals to 0. Then from this you will get the value of sigma a cube equals to 3abc. Okay, now let abc equals to some k, then the sigma a cube will be equal to some 3k. So let me take some other color here. Now you have sigma a square, that is minus 2 times sigma ab. This you will get by using squaring on both sides. Okay, let it be here. Now let us take the second equation. The second equation is x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 15. Then x value a plus 1 whole cube and y value b plus 1 whole cube and z value c plus 1 whole cube equals to 15. If you simplify this, you will get sigma a cube plus sigma 3 sigma a square plus 3 sigma a plus 3 equals to 15. Here sigma a cube, that is 3k plus 3 sigma a square plus this is 0 equals to 12 you will get. From this you will get the value of sigma a square, that as 4 minus k. Now we are getting sigma a square as 4 minus k. Let us write here, that is 4 minus k. So from this you can obtain the value of sigma ab, that is minus of 4 minus k by 2. Okay, now sigma a power 4 let us find out, that is sigma a square whole square minus 2 times sigma a square b square, that is simply 2 times sigma a square b square. That is nothing but what you are going to get, you are going to get 2 times sigma ab whole square, that is 2 into 4 minus k whole square by 4 you will get. From this you will get the value of sigma a power 4 as 4 minus k whole square by 2 you will get. This is sigma a power 4. Now let me take this calculation, sigma a cube into sigma a power 2. This one I am multiplying. Okay, so that is sigma a cube value you have, that is 3k, and sigma a square value you have, that is 4 minus k. Here you can observe on the left side. If you multiply this, you will get sigma a power 5 plus sigma a square b square into a plus b equals to 12k square. Otherwise let it be like this. Let us write as it is without any change, 3k into 4 minus k. Now sigma a power 5 minus abc into sigma ab equals to 3k into 4 minus k you will get. On simplification, here you have sigma AB value, here you have that sigma AB value, substitute that and simplify, you are going to get the value of sigma A power 5 as 5 by 2 into k into 4 minus k. Now you have sigma A power 5. Let us take the third equation. What is our third equation? The third equation is x power 5 plus y power 5 plus z power 5, that is 83. Okay, here x value I am substituting as a plus 1. In the beginning I have given that, you can observe, and y value b plus 1 and z value c plus 1 whole power 5, that is equals to 83. If you simplify this, you will get sigma a power 5 plus 5 into sigma a power 4 plus 10 into sigma a cube plus 10 into sigma a square plus 5 into sigma a plus 3 equals to 83. You have sigma a cube value, sigma a power 4 value, sigma a power 3 value, sigma a square, sigma a value, all the values you have, substitute them and simplify, you will get the value of k as 0. Value of k you are getting 0. Then k equals to 0 will give you ABC equals to 0, because here we are taking ABC value as k, therefore k equals to 0 will give ABC equal to 0. From this you will get either a equal to 0 or b equals to 0 or c equals to 0. So let me take only one case, after that we can take all the cases. I am taking a equal to 0. From this you will get b plus c equal to 0, because you have a plus b plus c equal to 0, and from this, here from this one where I am circling, from there you will get the value of b square plus c square equals to 4. By solving these two equations, b plus c equal to 0 and b square plus c square equals to 4, you will get either b square equal to 2 or c square equal to 2. I am taking only b square equals to 2, therefore b equals to plus or minus root 2 you will get. Now here we have two cases, one is a equal to 0, b equals to root 2, a equals to 0 and b equals to minus root 2. In both the cases find out c value, then you will get like this. Okay, from this we can obtain the values of a comma b comma x comma y comma z. Here a equal to 0 will give you x equals to 1, b equals to root 2 will give y equals to 1 plus root 2, and c equals to minus root 2 will give, that is 1 minus root 2, and from this you will get x equals to 1, y equals to 1 minus root 2 and z equals to 1 plus root 2. Here you are getting two solutions if you take a equal to 0. In the same way you will get two solutions for b equal to 0 and two solutions for c equal to 0. Totally you will get 6 solutions for this equation in real number. I will give you that 6 solutions here. You can observe that 6 solutions. Here I have 6 solutions. I will give you that 6 solutions from a gallery. You can observe that 6 solutions here. That 6 solutions I am giving here. You can observe that. Okay, these are the 6 solutions you can observe. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed these solutions and the process of solving this equation. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.